We all know how necessary daily exercise is. So having a busy life should not make us neglect exercising. In fact, by exercising at home, we can compensate for our inactivity and maintain our health. In this video on Pars Health TV channel, we are going to be sharing with you 7 of the best home workouts that will rock your body easily and quickly. Stay tuned with us. Number 7. Squat. To do squat, stand up, open your feel as wide as your shoulders. Imagine there is a chair and you should sit down on it, and stay at this position for 2 seconds. Get into your squat as deep as you can. Stand up again. Make sure you're keeping your back tall and your chest upright. Never your knees go over your feet. Do this exercise 15 times in every set. You should have at least 3 sets. Rest for 45 seconds between each set. Number 6. Side plank leg lift. As you probably know, planks with various versions and modifications are among the great belly exercises. But in this video, we want to suggest an effective one that uses group muscles to work together and engages core muscles. As it seems, you should get into a side plank position. You can place either your palm on the floor with a slight bend in the elbow or place the elbow on the floor. Both are proper, but you can try it with the palm on the floor if you want to add intensity to your exercise. Now abduct your leg up toward the ceiling. Try to keep your body straight to avoid damage to the spine. Do 15 or 20 lifts for each leg. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into number 5 of our list. Number 5. Glute Kickback. Glute Kickback is the next exercise we'll suggest you do. Because it is an intense exercise that targets your glute muscles, and makes them round, lifted, and bigger. Go down on all fours, open your hands as wide as your shoulders, put your palm on the floor, keep your spine parallel to the ground, and tighten your core muscles. When you are on an exhale, extend one of your legs back and up smoothly until your thigh is in line with your back. Hold the position for a moment and return to all fours. Do this exercise 20 times on each side. If you want to add more weights, you can place a dumbbell behind your knee or put a Pilates band above your knees. Number 4. Russian twist. To do this amazing abs workout, which is a great oblique builder, you should just lie down on the floor, bend your knees 90 degrees, keep your feet close to each other now, and raise them a little bit. There is no need to make a big distance between your heels and the ground. Just keep them up. Lean your back slightly, extend your arms, keep the weight in your hands, and twist your torso toward the right side until your hands touch the ground, and then twist to the left side and make the exact motion on that side. Hold the movement for at least 1 second when touching the ground, and then change the side. If you want to modify the exercise, you can put the heels on the ground. Do the exercise 20 times on both sides. Number 3. Single leg bridge. One of the most effective exercises involving a different group of muscles simultaneously is single leg bridge, a great movement for growing your abdominal muscles, thighs as well as buttocks, and little muscles of the lower back. If you are asking yourself how you can do this wonderful exercise, be patient for a moment, I'll tell you right now. You should start off laying down on the floor, bend your knees, put your arms by your sides, lift your hip as high as you can, and then raise one of your legs until it has a 90-degree angle with the floor, and now, press the hip up and down. Do this exercise for 45 seconds on one side and exact the same on the other side. Take your time while you are doing it. As you do it with control and slow, it will be more intense. Number 2. Leg lift. The next exercise is a leg lift or leg raise. Leg lift is a wonderful exercise for toning your lower abs and, at the same time, working on your legs. Different kinds of leg lift exercises cover all intensity levels. You can easily modify it to your condition. Lie down on your back, put your feet together, make your hands like a triangle, and put them under the tailbone to prevent extra pressure, which may cause pain. Raise your feet until your legs reach a 90-degree angle with the floor. Hold for a second and bring them down about an inch off your map. You should control your motion, do not let gravity do the movement for you, and make sure your heels won't touch the ground. If this exercise is too easy for you, you can slow it down, and if it is too difficult for you, you can bend your knees to make it easier. It's up to your level. Number 1. Scissors. Our last exercise is scissors. This exercise primarily works on your core but also engages your legs, glute, and back. For doing this exercise, you do not need any equipment. Just lay down on the floor. You can put your hands at your sides, but if you want to add more support to your back, you can place your hands underneath your tailbone. Then extend your legs, and move them up and down. When your right leg is up, your left leg should be down, just like a scissor. You can do it in a different way that works more on your inner thigh. When you lift your leg, instead of going up and down, twist them in and out. This would also be a great exercise for you. Ensure you have a slight knee bend to keep your back out of extra pressure. Do not forget to do a cool down stretch for 4 to 5 minutes. It is important to push your own limits and focus on your progress. Having a healthy diet is also important to have a fit body. Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.